Top 25 Best World War II Aircraft 1. P-40 Warhawk, U.S. fighter. 2nd Hurricane, British fighter. 3. Bf-109, German fighter. 4. FW-190, German fighter. 5. SBD Dauntless, U.S. dive bomber. 6. F4F Wildcat, U.S. carrier fighter. 7. F6F Hellcat, U.S. ace fighter, 19-1. 8. F4U Corsair, U.S. carrier fighter. 9. P-47 Thunderbolt, U.S. fighter bomber. 10. P-38 Lightning, twin boom, U.S. fighter. 11th. P-51 Mustang, U.S. long-range escort. 12th. Spitfire, British fighter. 13th. Mosquito, fast British multi-role. 14th. Tempest, British fighter. 15th. B-17 Flying Fortress, U.S. heavy bomber. 16. B-29 Superfortress, U.S. heavy bomber, Hiroshima. 17. Me-262, 1st German jet fighter. 18. P-80 Shooting Star, 1st U.S. jet fighter. 19. A 6M0, Japanese carrier fighter. 20. Ho-229, German jet flying wing. 21st. Yak-3, Soviet fighter. 22nd. Il-2 Sturmovik, Soviet attack plane. 23rd. B-24 Liberator, U.S. heavy bomber. 24. U-87 Stuka, German dive bomber. 25th. B-25 Mitchell, U.S. medium bomber. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.